Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Wake and unlock your Apple Watch because you need full access to Faces. Press and hold the current face until it zooms and reveals edit mode. That press tells the system you want to manage faces. Once the faces appear, swipe left or right to locate exactly which face you intend to remove. This prevents deleting the wrong one. Make sure to pause briefly on the target face so the trash or remove option becomes available. Now remove the face. With your target face centered, tap the small delete or trash icon beneath it. This action signals the watch to discard that configuration. You'll be asked to confirm. Tap Remove to finalize because the watch keeps faces only if you confirm. If the watch is unresponsive, open the watch app on your iPhone, go to My Watch Faces, swipe left on the face entry, and tap Delete. This alternate path uses the phone to push the change back to the watch. Finish by verifying the face is gone. Press the digital crown to exit edit mode and scroll through faces. If it still appears, force quit the watch app on your iPhone or restart the watch to clear cached data. These steps refresh the face list. If syncing issues persist, toggle Bluetooth on your iPhone or unpair and repair as a last resort, because resyncing forces the phone and watch to reconcile face data. One key tip: don't reset unless absolute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.